Fluent English practice.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
It's nice to meet you here.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Emily.
I'm Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a big city.
Do you live here now?
Yes, I live close to this park. Do you live here, Jew?
Yes, I live nearby.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come for a walk. Do you?
Yes, I walk here every weekend.
That's nice.
Yes, I like this park.
Me too. The trees are beautiful.
And the air is fresh.
Yes, it feels peaceful here.
I agree. It's a good place to relax.
Do you usually come alone?
Yes, usually alone. And you?
Same here. I like quiet walks.
That's nice. Maybe we can walk together sometime.
Sure, that would be great.
Okay, let's do that.
Nice meeting you today, Jake.
Nice meeting you too, Emily. See you soon.
Meeting at university.
Hi, how are you today?
Hey, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first day at university.
Oh, welcome.
Thanks a lot.
What's your name?
My name's Sarah. What's your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas. Where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you like this university so far?
Yeah, it seems good. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot.
That's great. What class are you in?
I'm in English class.
Really? Me too.
Cool. Then we're classmates.
Yeah, classmates. That's awesome.
Do you know anyone else here?
Not yet. You're the first.
Don't worry, you'll meet more friends soon.
Thanks. That makes me feel better.
No problem. We can sit together in class.
Really? That would be great.
Sure, I'll show you the classroom.
Thanks, David. You are very kind.
You are welcome, Sarah. I'm glad we met.
Me too. See you in class.
See you soon.
Meeting at work.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day at work.
Welcome to the office.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
What's your name?
My name's Anna. What's your name?
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from California. Where are you from?
I'm from Ohio.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, Ohio is small but friendly.
Do you like working here?
Yes, I do. Do you think you like it?
I think so. The team looks nice.
Yes, people here are helpful.
That's good to hear.
Let's work well together.
Yeah, let's do our best. At a coffee shop. Hey John. Over here.
Hi, Emma. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. Just a little tired.
Long day?
Yeah, work was busy.
I understand. Coffee will help.
Definitely. What are you having?
I ordered a cappuccino. You?
I got a latte. My favorite.
Nice choice. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here once a week.
Same. I like the quiet here.
True. It's a good place to talk.
Exactly. So, how's everything at work?
Busy, but okay. How's school going for you?
It's good. Just a lot of homework.
Yeah, that's normal. At least coffee makes it better.
For sure. By the way, have you tried their cake?
Yes, the chocolate cake is amazing.
Really? I'll try it next time.
You should. So, what's new with you?
Not much. Just studying and working out. You?
Same here. Just work and family.
Life is busy.
Yes, but it's nice to take a break like this.
I agree. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Coffee and friends are the best. At the bus stop.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. Are you waiting too?
Yes, me too.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I take it to college. Do you?
I take it to work.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's easy for me.
What's your name?
I'm Lena. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. Where are you from?
I'm from Dallas.
Oh, Dallas is nice.
Yes, but it's hot.
True. Very hot.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I do. Do you like it?
Yes, it's quiet.
Yeah, it's safe too. At a party.
Hi,
Hi.
are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's fun. How about you?
Yes, I'm having fun.
What's your name?
My name's Sam. What's your name?
I'm Nora. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jew.
Where are you from?
I'm from Denver. Where are you from?
I'm from Miami.
Oh, Miami is beautiful.
Thanks. Denver is beautiful too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Do you?
Yes, I love music and dancing.
Me too. Dancing is fun.
Do you know many people here?
No, not really. Do you?
No, I don't know many either.
Then let's be friends.
Yes, let's be friends.